Welcome back. I am outside the shop here, third stall garage, 2 stalls we park in, 2 stall workshop. Inside is the car I dream of. 66 Mustang convertible, GT 350, beautiful gloss paint job, white stripes, you know, fin in the back, scoops on the front, black pony interior, built 289 underneath the engine, underneath the hood, 2-star or double exhaust all the way back. Torque thrust wheels. She is beautiful. I am excited to show you to her. All right, let's head inside. There she is. Isn't she just like I described? Well, not really. So this is my project car. I named her Vin because, well, a car's got to have a name, and I love stories. I love good stories. Recently, I finished reading a series called Mistborn, and one of the main characters is a very strong, independent, fierce female named Vin. And so I named the car after her. Yes, that's a beautiful Beetle in the background. It is not mine, it's my brother's. It's a 79 triple black, one of the last made. It's beautiful as well. But today I want to do a walk around of the car named Vin. This will be part 1 of a long series. If you've been following me on Instagram, thank you very much for that. You've seen some of the work already. I've done some to the car. But since I kind of started a YouTube channel, I'm going to start over and kind of update you on the progress from the beginning. So she's not exactly in the condition she was when I got her, but really not much different. So for those of you that are just starting to follow me, this is video part 1, and you'll see that there's a ton of work to do yet. If it's 2025 and you just found my channel and subscribed, thank you very much. Jump to episode 88, where there's a great shot of me taking her to the beach along Lake Michigan and going for a sunset cruise. I think that's episode 8 in September of 2026. It'll be a great episode. But in order to get to part 88 or episode 88, we got to go all the way through, and that's going to be the exciting learning adventure. I'll be sharing what I learn along the way. You can share with me, and we'll learn and have fun together. Let's do a quick walk around on the car. The car feels a little bit to me like a excavation geological project. As I dive into the car, I kept digging down farther and farther to figure out where solid bedrock was and where I needed to stop destructing before I can start constructing. There were obviously multiple different owners or workers that had done work on this car. Some of it had been done really well. Some of it was done, let's just say, not well. The trunk, the quarters are new, and the inside of the trunk all seems to be pretty solid. Things seem to be done really well. Most of the sheet metal has been replaced, and that I feel really good with. Same thing with the inside. Floor pans are mostly in good shape. Doors have been replaced. They're in pretty good shape. And a lot of that work just needs to have a little bit of touch up. Doors are in good shape, didn't really need to do much to that. It really was when I got to the front that there was just some awful repairs on it. And I'll detail that in the firewall removal, the cowl removal, apron pans. The frame wasn't straight, and I had to do a lot of work to the A-pillar. And I'll show that in some upcoming videos as well. Done a lot of learning on welding sheet metal, thin wall, and thicker stuff too. The car is as sits. I put a lot of the chrome on the wall over there. It's kind of my wall of inspiration. You can see the 289 and some parts that I've gathered for it. Let's go upstairs and I will show you the parts that came with the car, where the rest of it is. I was fortunate enough to have an upstairs garage, which has a lot of storage. Last video, I built a trap door here so that I can get up the stairs. And it is a nice way to keep the heat in. Let's go upstairs and I will show you the rest of the car and give you a little tour of the upstairs, the third stall garage. So this will be eventually a future workshop. I've got my air compressor. Basically on the left side of the garage is the rest of the car, and this is the way that it came. It was all in boxes. I'll be putting in a new wiring harness. There's the rest. It's like a 10,000 piece puzzle that I've never put together before. I got a couple extra fenders, a couple extra doors, a hood that's quite rusty. There's the carpet interior for it, and then glass for the doors, glass for the doors and the windshield, and then all of the chrome for the car there as well. So I have my work cut out for me, and I am excited.